All right, I am so excited to see these slabs. When I picked them out, they looked like they were gonna have a ton of spalting on them. They're two book-matched maple slabs, so let's go inside and check them out. Hey, how's it going? Oh, there they are. It says my name on them. Woo! Wow. Holy wow. Those look amazing. That's gonna be pretty cool. Those are gonna be nice. Alright, well, weird lighting today. Anyway, I've made a template and then I've covered up half of it. I'm making this table absolutely as big as it can be and still fit in the space that it needs to go. So what I wanted to do was actually capture a live edge corner to make it easier to slide into the bench seat. As it is, it's going to be very difficult to get into that bench seat, but well, I kind of changed my mind. I thought it would look neat to do a kind of a partial book match, and then I can have a lot more of this slab over here to do other stuff like make panels. Don't worry, I will use this. well, that's going to wrap this one up. Let's talk about some of the stuff that I like, some of the stuff I do different. The first thing that comes to me is that this slab, like when you start out with good wood, it's, you know, the wood is the star of the show. You just got to do it justice, which leads me to question whether this configuration is the very best I could have done with those two slabs. And honestly, I don't think it is, but I still think it came out good. I think maybe if I had done a true book match and just cut a angle on my own rather than trying to incorporate that little bit of a live edge so you can slide behind the seat, that might have looked better. But the bonus of doing it this way is I have a lot of leftover material that I can make into cabinet faces, stuff like that. So it's not going to go to waste. The other thing that I would maybe change, but probably couldn't, is I think the thickness of this looks a little bit awkward. In the last video I talked about going smaller with your pieces, and I think this just looks a little bit bulky. But because it's a slab, I'm hesitant to take any more material, because every time you take off material, it moves. And when he surfaces these slabs, he does them over a week, takes a bit, lets them move, takes a bit, lets them move, etc., to end up with a relatively stable slab. But the smaller it gets, probably the more susceptible to movement it is over time. So one of the things that I know is going to happen is, having made furniture for the cabin before, when you take it from here down to the cabin, it's almost always more humid. So a lot of these sliding dovetail housing joints are probably going to tighten up. They're a little bit loose right now. The housed bridle joints are probably going to tighten up. So the next video, Sarah and I will take this down to the cabin. It'll probably be our Christmas video. We'll put it in there, so you'll get to see that. And I'll put all 3 videos on a playlist. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.